Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu states, while we were sitting in the company of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, he said, who amongst you has remembered the hadith of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam regarding staves? Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu said, I have remembered it. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, you are extremely valiant. What is that hadith? He said that he heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, a man's trial lies in his household, his property, his life, his offspring and his neighbors, which is expiated by observing fast, performing prayer, giving alms, bidding good and forbidding evil. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, I did not mean it. I intended to know about the strife which will surge out like tides. Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu said, O the believers' chief, why are you scared of that while there is a closed door between you and that strife? Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu asked, will that door be opened or broken? I said, no, but it will be broken. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, then it is expected that that door will never be closed again. The reporter says, we then asked from Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu, did Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu know what that door implied? He said, yes, in the same way as one surely knows that night comes after day. It was because I narrated to him a hadith which is not a riddle. We then feared to ask Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu what the door meant. We asked Masruq to ask him. So he asked him. He whereupon said the door means Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7197.